Okay, so we're talking about a correlations. Weak or strong, negative or positive. Okay? Weak or strong, negative or positive. Remember, the scale is this. Draw it if you need to on the test. 0, this is 1, and this is -1. Okay? Anything around 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 on either side would be strong. Okay, so you can draw the circles, they're like muscles. Okay, strong. Anything right here is weak, like a weak little arm. Okay? So, let's find out this one. Let's clear everything we have on our calculator. Second plus 712. Go to stat. We need to type in all this information. Stat, edit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. Okay, and over here we have 1, 3, 6, 2, 9, 6, 7. Okay, now stat, over to calc, 4. What do we need to know if it's a weak or a strong correlation? We need R. Why don't we see R? Because we didn't turn diagnostic on. So second, 0. You can click on the green D button. Find diagnostic on. Make sure it says done. Okay? Now we still have everything in stat, so go over to stat, go over to calc, pick 4 again, enter. Now we have R. R is 0.748. 0.748. Okay, what would you say that is? Well, first off, is it positive or negative? That's positive. So we can take out negatives. Now, is this strong or weak? 0.7 I would say is strong. Okay. Number 11. Number 11. An essential oils company is interested in finding the linear relation between the number of essential oils purchased at one time and cost per essential oil. The following data was obtained. There's our chart. Calculate the correlation coefficient between X and Y. Which of the following conclusions is correct? Let's read through our conclusions. The relation between X and Y is not linear. Well, it told us it is. So that's wrong. Okay. The linear relation between X and Y is strong, and Y decreases when X increases. So let's look. Y is going down, yeah? So Y decreases, okay? And X is going up. So X is increasing. So that's true. The linear relation between X and Y is weak. The Y decreases when the X increases. That's true. Y decreases, X increases. The linear relation between X and Y is weak, and Y increases when X increases. Does Y increase when X increases? No, so D is out. So it's between B and C. See how easy that could be? Even if you don't know how to do anything, you could have done that. Okay, so we need to find out. The only difference between these two is it strong or is it weak? So let's clear what we have in our calculator again. Second plus 712. Now, we know the very first thing we need to do is go to catalog, second 0. Find the D and turn diagnostic on. Okay, now we can do everything. So stat, edit, type in our information. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, over here we have 9, 8, 6, 5.5, 6, 3, 2. Okay, stat, over to calc. Whoops. 4. So our R is what? R is negative 0.94. Negative 0.94. So the only difference between these two is it weak or is it strong? It's super strong. It's 0.9. Okay, super strong. So this would be a strong negative, right? Okay, but they didn't ask about positive or negative. It's just a strong. Okay, so this is everything on your test. Okay, these questions are very, very similar to your test. Be sure to study these. If there's anything you cannot do on your own, go back and watch it. I want you to know this well so that you can pass your test the first time. Because if you do not, you will have to come to tutorials and retake this test. That's not a question. That's not a choice. This is what will happen. So pass the first time so that you don't have to come to tutorials. Okay, so watch it again, study it, know it well, know how everything was found.